Hey, what are you doing, Lali?
Drawing.
Wow, what is it?
Look, I'm dreaming about a big family.
That's a wonderful wish. It should come true. Hop.
Huh? How did that happen? There are so many of you. Where did they all come from? My head is spinning. Are you really my family? Hi, sis.
What a sweet daughter we have. Simply adorable. Come here.
No way. Wow, I like this. Awesome. Great, a big family is amazing.
Just a bit too noisy.
And you must be my older sister? Let's hug.
Hands off.
Oh, where are we all going to live? LaLiLu!
Don't worry, I've got it covered. Here's your new house.
Awesome! Oh, it's so huge! Wow! There are so many rooms! There's space for everyone! Wow! This will be my room. But it definitely needs a makeover. First, let's pick a style. Nope, not that. Yes, I want this one. I've chosen.
Great. Can I borrow your phone? I need to prepare some crafting materials. What do we have inside?
Wow, so many things! Where are the scissors?
Huh? Let me check. We'll have to get them another way. Aha! I'll cut the package along the fold lines. Got it! These make gorgeous wallpaper. Lali, bring something to stick them on.
Okay.
No, a hammer won't work.
What about a turtle?
Nope, bring glue. Oh, perfect! Thanks, you did great!
Anytime.
Spread the glue on the wall. Press it down. Add wallpaper to the sides. And here too.
Now let's paint the floor. Coming! Oops! Ah! Oh no, I spilled the paint!
Look how cool that turned out. Smooth and pretty. Huh?
Really? Yes, that's exactly what I had planned.
We don't need the paint anymore. Just need to finish the edges. I'll decorate them with fluffy yarn. Oh, we can run it along the roof too. Perfect.
LaLiLu, I found a cool bed. Look, it's shaped like a duck. Let's order it. Awesome! Or maybe a frog. Or a spider. A bunny. Oh yes, I want the bunny.
Special duck delivery. Please sign here.
Thank you. Oh, what a cute bed! I love it! So soft, it's amazing!
What should go here? I can't decide.
I'll order something else. Found it! LaLiLu, look! Oh, my phone died!
Don't worry, here's a gift for you.
Oh my gosh!
Unboxing time. It's headphones.
Yay! Nice! I'll listen to music.
And I'll use the box. Place a kitty sketch on it and cut it out.
Good job!
There.
Oh, it's a frame! But how should we decorate it?
Huh?
Let's use fluffy threads!
Great idea. Wrap the frame tightly.
So dazzling!
Done. I'll attach mirror cardboard on the back. Add a stand. Hey, Lali, are you okay?
Have those stars always been floating there? Let's give the kitty a tail!
On its head? Funny.
That's hilarious!
The tail goes on the side.
And let's add pom-poms! Boom!
Hey, I have a better idea.
Show me!
Move this here, here, a little more this way. Now we've got cute paws.
No, I wanted it different! Let the pom-poms go on the frame!
All right, your call. I'll put everything back.
Now that's better.
Let's place it in the corner.
I look so pretty!
Woo!
You know, I need new clothes. Let's order something cute. A dress? Shoes, bag. Wow, so many outfits!
Woohoo! Lali, stop! The whole room is full of stuff.
Oops, I got carried away. I've got an idea. Dia, we need a rack.
Exactly, you're a genius. Can I use your stand?
Here, it's easier without it anyway.
Thanks. Lower the clip,
Add another one. This will be the bar.
But first we cut it.
It's not working. Maybe because you need scissors?
Oh, right. Here they are. Split the tube in half. I have these cute butterfly bands.
And a crown.
Attach it in the center.
So glamorous.
Voila! Hang the bags.
And my new dresses.
Yes, there's room for everything. Right here.
Ta-da!
The rack is ready.
Great, bring it in. Now a fashion show.
Wow, those looks.
Awesome, I'm like a princess. I'll admire myself all day. This is all thanks to you.
Happy to help, bestie.
Thank you.
My favorite doll. What are you doing here? Wow, what a cool makeover. Aw, the bunny is adorable. My room is totally empty, nothing there. Lu, I'm here. Lead the way. Now it's my turn. I want a cool makeover. Something in my style. I've got an idea. Check this out. Are you kidding? That's not it at all. This is how it should be. Stars are awesome. Then here's a whole galaxy. Well, not bad, but I need posters too. Cool, real rock vibe. That's better. Look what I found. Oh yeah, that's my vibe. Then we'll stick only the coolest ones. There. What do you think? Stickers are great, but it's stuffy. I need a window.
Okay.
Done. What? Vibe ruined. How about this?
Oh no!
Switch it. Don't worry, I've got it. Oh, I like this. The room feels super cozy now. I want to listen to music. My favorite track. Na na na. Hey, Lu, can I use your headphones? Let's make them bigger. Remove the speaker. Can you help? Nope, I can't. We're making a gaming chair for you. Oh, suddenly I can. I'll squeeze the glue. Put it in the center. Attach it to the second speaker. Add fluffy fur pads. Nice, so soft.
Super.
Hey girls, be careful. Oh, I need this. Remove the stand and attach it to the headphones. My signature badge. Take off the clip, insert a printed screen, and hang it in front of the seat. The gaming chair is ready. That's actually awesome. Here's a controller, let's play. Nice. Total immersion, I love it. Oops, what happened?
Huh?
Play with us.
Not now.
Fine then. Didn't want to anyway. Look. Thinking what I'm thinking? Of course. Let's go. Let's play our favorite song. Yay! Turning it on.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, the girls are doing great.
Oh, she ate burgers without us. Sleeping Beauty. So funny.
Where did you get my phone and why are you looking at my photos?
Run!
Girls, stop right there.
Faster! Forward!
Gotcha. Don't even think about touching my stuff.
No one wants to play with us.
Aww.
LaLiLu,
What happened?
we're so bored.
Hey, don't be sad. Oh. Add a few details. Ears, nose, whiskers. Ta-da! A kitty. Lali, bring the pencil case.
Already here.
Sweetie, thanks for helping. Let's look inside. There's a paw-shaped sharpener. Hey, Lu, what are you doing?
Helping. Give me the sharpener.
All right, here. Nice, sharp. Place it on the stand. Thanks. Hey, where's the second pencil?
I'm drawing.
Wow, what a masterpiece. Can I borrow the pencil?
Yep.
Thank you.
Attach it here. Now we need a divider.
This goes here. And this here.
It turned into a ladder.
Cool. I want to climb. Look, I'm at the top. How do I get down?
Jump here. Soft paw steps will help you. And here's a big paw trampoline.
So soft. Fun. I love it. Hey, I want to play too. LaLiLu, what's going on?
And for you, this.
Wow.
What is it?
Ta-da! It's a pool. Woo!
Why is it empty?
Huh? We'll fill it with gummy worms.
More! I like it. No one else has this. Can I join you?
Yes.
They stretch!
Woo.
Woohoo! Our room is so cool.
There's a worm on you! Get it off! Get it off! The forecast didn't mention a worm shower.
Here you are. Mom!
What is it, sweetie?
We want food!
How about a worm?
No!
What should we feed the girls? Looks like I'm needed here. First, let's clear everything. Hop! Where's my husband? Honey, I'm here. What are you doing there? Decided to check the backyard. Pick the wallpaper. We want yellow.
Yes!
As you wish. Repaint the wall. Done. Wow, so bright. Where's our son?
Catch you! Look who I've got!
Good job, Lali. Will you play with your brother?
Yes!
Hey, Lali. Move a bit. I'll put a wardrobe here.
Wow, cool! Want to play hide and seek? Yes! Let's go! 3, 4, 5. I'm coming! Ready or not? Oh, where is he?
Hey, baby. Look here.
Nice, I'll hide here. I'm here! Where's my brother? I don't see him. Ha! No, he's definitely here somewhere.
Quick, hang the curtains. Luke, hide. Up.
Maybe he is here. Nobody here. Baby Luke, where are you? Where did he go? Ha! Gotcha! Wow, look how pretty it is here. Awesome. Oh, where do we sit, LaLiLu?
I'll make a soft sofa. Fluffy bands for armrests. Nice and soft.
Oh, it's for us. Great. It's so comfy. Oh, someone's here.
Huh?
Who is it?
Did someone order pizza?
Oh, food. We're hungry.
Oh my.
The aroma fills the whole house. Yay, the whole family is together. Oh, you're so cute. Let me take a picture. All right, dig in. Delicious.
Enjoy your meal. Bye.